want to get notified when my new video comes out, like and subscribe and ring that bell.
Hi, I am a storm chaser and this is the Armory version 1. And in radar one of mutant tornadoes coming to this town, and I told the townspeople to brace for impact. There it is, gotta drop the flaps. Dropping the flaps, and now I am gonna drop the spikes. Brace for impact. Know the townspeople. I hope the other building survives. Never mind, that one is also getting locked in. I should have let one of them in the Armory version 1. I am so stupid. I am a failure. Why'd I have to be so dumb? I am so dumb, I am an idiot.